Hey everyone, IT Consultant here, and you may or may not be aware, but there's been a major update to ChatGPT. It is now 4o, and there have been quite a few features that were a part of the ChatGPT Plus tier that have been made free. The one of interest lately has been the voice portion. So that is why, you clicked on the video to actually be able to hear that, right? Also, we're going to test out ChatGPT in OBS. So let's give that a shot. Oh, actually, before we do, we're going to try some use cases out for ChatGPT. For example, let's say that you have a client or person, doesn't have to be a client, but a person who speaks a different language, and you want to be able to actually understand what they're saying. So let's have ChatGPT translate for me. So let's get started. So can you hear me okay?
Loud and clear. How can I assist you today?
So I'd say for the next 30 seconds or so, I want you to translate what I'm saying into Spanish.
Sure thing. Go ahead, and I'll translate what you say into Spanish for the next 30 seconds.
Hello everyone.
Hola todos.
This is the IT Consultant, and I would like to be able to try out the translation portion.
Este es el consultor de tecnología y me gustaría probar la función de traducción.
And this is the end of the test. Thank you very much.
Y este es el final de la prueba. Muchas gracias.
And that's essentially it. Now, if you want me to show you or show the process of adding ChatGPT to OBS, I'll make a separate video for that, but this is only just to test out to see if it actually works, and it seems like it does. So that is it for now. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.